Igbo Kwenu. Hey, my family. Welcome back to the Martins Home, the only channel where we bring to you the latest and trendiest African fashion, weddings, and attires. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of Igbo traditional wedding attire. Now, if you have ever seen an Igbo groom rocking that red cap, no, it's not just a fashion statement, it's a badge of leadership, a symbol of authority, passed down through generations. And don't even get me started on the Isiagu, that lion head wreath. It's like wearing your pride on your chest. Trust me, if you haven't been to an Igbo wedding, you have missed a lot. But hey, don't be too sad, because in this video we've got the best collections of what an Igbo traditional attire and wedding day looks like. While you take a look at the beautiful pictures, collections, and smile along, remember that this is not all that we have got. There are many more. Why don't you take a stroll down to the channel and choose for yourself what you are looking for, because in the channel you are going to see the real videos of these traditional weddings. And hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Would you want to miss out on our latest updates? No way. So go ahead and hit the button there, and boom, you're part of our family already. Thanks for watching. Remember, fashion is all about being fashionable. Remember that kudos to the designer is always our good. Thanks for watching. Bye.